Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurafa Mutera Jahra. I'm from Management Class 23I. Here I will answer a question from the Pancasila Education course, that is, to what extent does Pancasila remain relevant as a foundation addressing modern socio-political challenges in Indonesia? Pancasila remains relevant as basic for responding to modern social political challenges in Indonesia because it has universal and timeless values that allow adaptation to various situations. Pancasila plays an important role in building Indonesian national identity, maintaining the uniqueness and diversity of culture, religion, and ethnicity, as well as strengthening the sense of nationality and unity. Pancasila also provides a solid foundation for national and state life in the modern era, guiding sustainable development policies and practice and maintaining the sustainability of natural resources. The values contained in the Pancasila principles contain nationalist, democratic, and social justice values which are still very relevant in the context of Indonesian national legal politics. Pancasila as the source of all source of Indonesian law allows Pancasila values to become the basic for making policies that contain nationalistic, democratic, and social justice values. Thus, Pancasila remains an effective basic for responding to modern socio-political challenges in Indonesia. Argument that super relevance of Pancasila. 1. Universality and eternity of Pancasila principle. Pancasila values that remain relevant such as social justice, democracy, and unity which can be applied to various modern situations and challenges. 2. Specific example where Pancasila has effectively guided national policy. Pancasila has guided national policy in facing social, political, and economic challenges such as building national identity, strengthening unity, and promoting sustainable development. One example is national identity. Pancasila plays an important role in building Indonesian national identity, maintaining the uniqueness and diversity of Indonesian culture, religion, and ethnicity, as well as strengthening the sense of nationality and unity. Pancasila has effectively guided national policies such as in developing moral and just policies, as well as in maintaining cultural diversity and national unity. 3. Counter-argument regarding the need for a more contemporary or flexible guiding philosophy where Pancasila remains relevant as a basis for responding to modern socio-political challenges in Indonesia. Namely, Pancasila as the philosophical foundation of education. Pancasila as the philosophical basis of education means that Pancasila as the state philosophy must be the source for all state administration action. Pancasila contains a number of systems and values related to a way of life, so it remains relevant as a foundation for education. Pancasila as a historical foundation. Pancasila as a historical basis meant that it is related to the struggle of the Indonesian people to liberate themselves from colonialism. Pancasila as a historical basis contains the values of the struggle of the Indonesian people, so it remains relevant as a foundation for education. Pancasila as a juridical basis. Pancasila as a juridical basis meant that it is related to statutory regulation, such as laws number 2 of the year 1989 and the Constitution 1945. Pancasila as a juridical foundation contains basic values that form the basis of the Indonesian state, so that it remains relevant as a foundation for education. Thus, Pancasila remains relevant as a foundation for education because it contains basic values that form the basis of the Indonesian state and contains systems and values related to a way of life. 5. Is Pancasila sufficient to answer modern issues such as digitalization environmental problems, and globalization. Pancasila provides a solid foundation for facing modern challenges such as digitalization, environmental problems, and globalization with values such as social justice, democracy, and unity. Pancasila, as the ideology of the Indonesian nation and state, it is still relevant in responding to modern socio-political challenges in Indonesia, including digitalization, environmental problems, and globalization. In the era of globalization, Pancasila remains relevant as the ideology of the Indonesian nation because it has value that can adapt its role in all circumstances. Therefore, Pancasila no longer needs to doubt and forget the value of Pancasila. In the modern era, Pancasila provides the foundation for sustainable development oriented towards people's welfare and social justice. Thank you for attention. Sorry there are many wrong words and saying, and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.